Vulcan. It's a stinger that I put on my miller, actually. We're going to try it out. If I can somehow hold the phone in here. Okay. Don't pick on me, I can't really see the greatest thing in one-handed. Oh yeah, okay. Obviously my weld is not looking good. Trying to hold a camera under my hood and weld one-handed didn't look good at all, actually. But the point is, the stinger works great. It works absolutely phenomenal. The wire feed's great. Everything about it's great. Harbor Freight special. Just had to modify the part that actually goes into the machine. I'll show you. Here, alright. The part that goes inside here. Right there. It was too small, so I took the one off the old lead and swapped it out, put it right on there. And then this is the liner that's originally in the Vulcan lead, and it's got the little thing on the end here. So whenever you start the wire, it makes starting the wire a whole lot easier because it just finds it and it just runs right in there. And you can actually run the wire all the way through the lead, all the way up to the tip without taking the tip off on this machine, or on this lead for some reason. I'm not really sure why it works that way, but it does. It's awesome. Let me close that back up. Anyway, Vulcan. New Harbor Freight brand. I think it's going to change some things in the industry. Never heard of them before, but I'm certainly a fan of their product so far. I'm going to buy one of their machines. I'm going to get the multi-process real soon. But I'll tell you what else I got. Bam. I have the Vulcan welding hood. And believe it or not, I love it. It compares to my miller perfectly. And one thing that's cool about it is it has these switches in here. Let's see if I can focus this, where you can switch it from shade 5 through 8 through shade 9 through 13. And that makes it cool because if you want to switch the torch, like if you're on shade 10 and then you want to do the torch, you just flip the switch, and that puts you all the way to shade 6, which is perfect for when I'm doing it. And then over here, your weld mode and grind mode, it's just you reach in and flip a switch, so you don't have to adjust all your settings, and you flip the switch back and right back to weld mode, and you can reach in and actually do it with your hood down, so if you forget and you start welding and you, oh crap, you can stick your hand right up under your hood, flip the switch, you never have to even flip your hood up, and keep going. This thing has a patented technology for, you see it says right here, patent pending, and I think it's because it actually allows some light through without burning your eyes. I don't really understand how it works, but it literally looks like daylight. Like it allows color through. Really neat. This is a reamer for a customer of mine. They're too cheap to buy a bigger reamer bit, so they just keep having me scab stuff on here to make it bigger depending on what they need to drill. Definitely not nothing pretty or fancy, but it's a paying job. Anyways, thanks for watching.